Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial on the review module. When you type next on the search bar, all of the modules show up from Divi Essential plugin. For this video, we have picked the review module. First, within the content tab, you'll see there's image. Add the image of the reviewer from your gallery. And then head on to ratings. Over here you can adjust the rating according to scale. Here we have star rating or number rating. If you use the number rating, you can put exact point, and once you head on to text, you'll see you can put the reviewer's name, position, and the review. Moving on to the design tab. Then go to image settings. Here you can select either left or top for your image position. You can also adjust the width of your image. Depending on the image position, you can align the text for the image. Now let's move on to rating settings. Here you can select the background color for the image, the entire design, the text color, and also star colors. You can also resize the text for the rating. Moving on to title text. Here you have all the necessary tools for text, typography tools, align the text, you can add shadow to the text. It's the same for position text as well. Not to forget, you can also align the rating position from your rating setting. When you head on to spacing, you'll see you can add padding to your image, your title, and the position, and margin also. You can download our demo designs for the review module, like the one shown in the video from the demo page. The link is in the description box. Try this out and feel free to send us your feedback.
Do like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you get more notifications of this sort of videos. Thank you for your time. Bye.